Hey guys, welcome back to Scholars Club. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topics related to blogging. I know that there are various blogging websites available all across us, such as Wix.com, LinkedIn.com, or even Blogger.com. There are various kinds of audience that goes on to these blogging websites daily to even read or write blogs. One of the important platform that where people come together to write and read blogs daily is the platform of Medium. So in this video we are going to talk about the platform of Medium, like what is Medium, how can you get started on Medium, then what is my personal experience onto Medium, how can you earn through Medium, and how can you grow or how can you become a professional content writer onto Medium. So let's get started. So what is Medium? Medium can be said as an hybrid collection of amateur as well as professional people, where people come together and write and read their blogs. People usually publish the exclusive blogs onto Medium where other people can read their blogs. So the type of audience that gets onto Medium is all kinds, such as a working professional, or let's say a student, or let's say a common person, or let's say an housewife who loves to read and write onto Medium. Another aspect of that is you can earn through Medium, but that's just another chapter to be discussed on. I will be talking some introductory part of how you can earn from Medium at the end of the video. So keep watching the video till the end. So now that we have discussed about Medium, so what kind of content gets delivered onto Medium? So people from various backgrounds come together to write onto Medium, and people usually depict their journeys of how they went from rags to riches, or how a tier 3 college student went on to get 1 lakh per month in a product based company, or even entrepreneurs of how they generated their ideas to get fundings or even a successful business they are running. So yeah, Omkar, we have talked about how you can start writing onto Medium, but what are the basic requirements? Is it free or is it paid? So let me tell you that Medium is a platform which is absolutely free of cost to read and to write blogs onto Medium. And the second thing is that all you just need is an account on Medium. Go on to the medium.com and then register yourself and log in onto that, and you can directly start writing. All you need is a phone or a laptop to start writing onto Medium. So what are the main advantages of Medium platform? First is like you can write anything and everything onto the Medium platform. If you don't want to write on a specific topic, you can even expand a specific topic that has been already written onto a Medium platform. Third is like you can earn money as a working professional or as a student onto the Medium platform. Fourth is like you can write from anywhere. All you need is an internet connection and an idea to be written on. So if your main aim lies in blogging or starting a career as a content writer, Medium is the best platform because it allows you to write anything and everything onto the Medium platform, and then you can showcase these skills of content writing as a student onto your resume, and it affects to a greater extent. There are also various topics that have been available and you just need to explore them. So let me tell you what is my personal experience onto writing blogs on Medium platform and how I got introduced to them. So I was scrolling through my LinkedIn profile and saw that many of my connections I've been writing onto this Medium platform. I went onto it, checked it, and really liked it. But I was unable to decide what to write on the Medium platform. So I decided that what I am proficient in, let's write onto that. So basically the first article or blog that I wrote on Medium platform was Android development versus web development. So this blog really got a huge response. I covered all the aspects of Android versus web on to this article, and it was a great success. Secondly, I wrote an article for 100 days of code, which I personally am being following from many days. So this 100 days of code basically uses competitive programming and lets you know how you can crack product based companies and how you can prepare for them. So how can you earn through the Medium platform? So basically these are the two tips that will help you to grow onto the Medium platform. First is the time that you're going to spend on writing onto this Medium platform. Like for example, I am spending 1 hour daily to write on the Medium platform. But if that's not enough, I need to give more time. And second is the content or the quality of content that you are delivering onto the Medium platform. If the language is lame or even if the content is not good, you're not going to gain a lot of readers onto the Medium platform. But you can still participate in the Medium Partner Program, which enables a student or a user of Medium to get onto this program and earn through the writings. The link is in the description. So even after writing onto this Medium platform, you are not getting enough attention of the readers, you can do a simple thing. Go on to a specific publication and publish your blog onto their publications. There are various famous publications on Medium such as the Personal Growth, the Startup or the Economist. You can send your articles to them and then they can publish your articles onto their publications, and then you can gain huge number of readers for your blogs. By these writings of Medium, you can also gain some freelancing clients onto the freelancing websites. You can showcase your skills onto the Medium and then link those skills onto the freelancing website and gain freelancers. If you are a successful content writer, you can even earn on the number of words that you deliver to the clients, and that's a huge profit. So the last and the final tip that I would like to give you to get started onto Medium is the magic content. So what is magic content? So search firstly what are people interested in reading, and then go on to write these things that would gain you a lot of readers, and then you can participate in the Medium Partner Program. So guys, if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Also, comment down below the link to your Medium blog and I would surely like to go through them. Thank you.